Okay, welcome all back to the rebuild of the Tokyo Giants. We are, I think we're in like about 8 seasons in with Tom. But before we get started, man, you guys are wonderful. Thank you so much for all the support. But if you want to support me more, just push that little red button. It really helps me a lot. And if you guys are not a subscriber, just take 1 second to push that red button, and it helps me a lot. And I would appreciate it so much, guys. We're going to play 3 more games right here. And we are getting boost after boost after boost. We are 15-0 to start the season. Okay, so we are going to get some boosts. We are playing the San Diego Chargers. Let's see. Let's get it going. We go from Aaron Rodgers to Jeff.
It's the National Football League.
Tom Grossi.
They'll start this drive out on the ground. And down he goes, but he takes it up to the 40. Give them 15 yards to start their first drive of the game. So quickly all the way up at the 40-yard line.
First and 10 at the 40-yard line.
Now Rodgers. Oh, he's got a man wide open, complete. And he'll go down, but not before getting this inside the 30. Another big gainer, 2 in succession as this one goes for 32. On first down, it's Hall. And he can only manage to get a couple. 2nd and 8 coming up. And a stoppage here. We're going to need to take a moment as a jet was shaken up on that one. So from the 26-yard line, here's the 2nd and 8. Here's Hall again. And not much of a hole there as he gets it down to about the 24-yard line. But now he appears to be in some pain. But not what you want to see this late in the season. Medical staff is going to check on him, and we'll step aside for a moment. Throwing is Rodgers on 3rd down. And he's going to go down here, a sack. They push him back to the 34. Looks like a 9-yard loss, and it also brings up 4th. Throwing is Rodgers. That is caught. That'll be touchdown here, but not before he does pick up the first. 4th down conversion plays, you usually think 1, 2, 3 yards, maybe 10. Not there. What a huge pickup as the Sticks make a drastic shift forward. A terrific opening drive has them knocking on the door, 1st and goal. A nifty move on the run, but ultimately stops short of the goal line down at the 2. From the 2 now, 2nd and goal. And he's into the end zone. Touchdown. They'll start on the ground here on 1st down. And he's brought down, getting this one up to about the 35. So the celebration in the end zone, but meanwhile we do have an injured player. Always unfortunate to see an injury, especially this close to the end of the regular season. We'll step aside. On 1st and 10, here's Rodgers. And that's caught inside the 35. And all the carry here for Burgess. Shoves him aside. And he's brought down. 18 yards there, and it'll be first and goal.
Well, they came into this game saying it was important that they set the tone and show that they can run the football. I believe that they've done that here in the first quarter.
To throw is Rodgers. And that one is incomplete. And it also concludes quarter number one. Through one quarter, 14-7 our score. So an incomplete pass a moment ago, and that leads to second and goal. This is Burgess. And he's in. Touchdown, Jets. They'll start this drive out on the ground. And he's able to take this one up to the 35-yard line. That time, the right guard sending him backwards.
And so many different types of guys rotate in on the defensive line now, depending on situations. You can get the bulky guy, the fast guy. No matter what, though, you can't hold him.
And this will go as a gain of 7 as he gets it to the 30-yard line. Ball on the 30. They'll come up with a 2nd and 5.
So, Charles, for this offense, we've been talking all year about how difficult it would be to run the table. And you gave me your chances early in the year. You thought maybe 25%. A few weeks ago, you thought closer to 50, but not quite 50. Now, here they are, 15-0. This is happening, isn't it?
I think it is, Brandon, because I do believe this team is too invested, too well coached to fall asleep with the switch now. And I think it ultimately benefits them to stay engaged all the way through the season, because make it to the finish line, then they get the open week to refresh and re-energize. But if you get off the gas now, that can really hurt you come playoff time.
Rodgers to throw on 2nd down. And that'll fall incomplete. He was hit just as he let that go. And now it's 3rd down.
I think he had to unload that one before he wanted to. He was right up in his grill. I think he was a dentist there without a license, don't you?
Just not enough time for the play to develop. Just lucky it wasn't a fumble, really. Here's Rodgers to throw.
He had a man open, but he missed him, and it's incomplete.
One first down here, and that's all, folks. Good work by this defense to hold things in check and force a punting situation.
Rodgers going to go on 4th down. Firing quickly here, and that's complete. And he is going to have a Jets first down as they find a way to convert there on 4th and 6. And again, it's Rodgers. Going right side here, and that's complete. And he gets this inside the 35-yard line. 17 yards for the Jets there as they've got themselves a first down. They'll run with Burgess.
58 yards rushing for him now with a couple of touchdown runs to boot.
They don't need to run another play here before the 2-minute warning. Let's see if they do it anyway. On 2nd down, it's Burgess. And he'll be tackled at the 23 after a gain of 3. And we've hit the 2-minute mark in this first half of action. 3rd down and 1.
I hope we can get the first.
They'll keep it on the ground. Burgess. And he is going to have a Jets first down as they're able to get the 3rd down conversion.
So here's a 1st and 10 now down inside the 20.
Into the red zone. It's Rodgers. This will be caught just inside the 10.
And the Jets are going to have a 1st and goal as he's taken down at about the 8-yard line.
A chance to really cap off a big first half here as they come up on 1st and goal.
From the gun, they'll try to run it.
And he's going to take it in for a Jets touchdown. Rodgers now on first down. That's going to be knocked away and incomplete.
Yes, sir. How about an attaboy there on first down? Got his hand in and knocked it away.
So following the incompletion, here's 2nd and 10 from the 25. Shotgun now for Rodgers. And the defense loses him. It's complete.
And he will work his way out of bounds here at the 25-yard line.
A big play there just before halftime. And even 50 yards. On first down, Rodgers. And this one is incomplete. So we've come upon halftime here in...
All right, we'll bypass the halftime show in favor of returning to this late season game with the teams coming back from the locker rooms here a bit early.
And we welcome you back live now inside the booth alongside Charles Davis. I'm Brandon Gaudin, set and ready to rock for the third quarter.
No return there for Harris, and the drive will begin at the 25.
They'll start on the ground here on first down. And he'll get this up to the 34-yard line. And quickly they get to the line. Right back to him on first down. Yeah, boy, it is tough to bring him down that time. He surges forward. He's going to get a full 6 out of that. Second down. Now it's Rodgers. Throwing left side here, and it's complete. And he's brought to the ground with another first down at the Chargers' 44-yard line. Give him 15 yards on that one, and the Jets move the chains. They'll run on first down. It's Burgess. Oh, he's got a little daylight. And they'll have it in the red zone before he crosses over out of bounds.
118 yards for him on the ground now and 3 touchdowns to go along with it. So the ball down to the 16 here for 1st and 10.
Now Rodgers. And a quick throw here, that's complete.
And the Jets are going to have a 1st and goal coming up as the tackle made at the 3-yard line.
And they're going to hurry back to the line now. To throw is Rodgers. From the gun, he'll throw. Got a man, it's caught. Touchdown, Jets. Rodgers throwing to start the drive. He's going to air one out.
Batted at the line, but he still brought it in.
Big yardage that time for the Jets. 49 yards.
Another big play right there. And this is where, as an offense, you can really put the hammer down. You've got a double-digit lead, but those other guys, they've been hanging around. A touchdown here could put this game out of reach, and that's a strong...
And this is caught inside the 5. Touchdown, Jets. From the gun, it's Rodgers. Toward the sideline, and look at that catch. Dragging the toes, and that's going to be a first down. Well done.
First down. 1st and 10 at the 47-yard line.
Shotgun now for Rodgers. Looking downfield, and that's caught right side. He's got his man.
And he's going to be out of bounds here all the way down inside the 10.
It'll be 1st and goal when we come back. Back now here on EA Sports. A lot of happy faces in the crowd at this point as their guys have a big lead here to start quarter number 4. To throw, it's Rodgers. Being chased out left. And this will be caught in the end zone. Touchdown, Jets. Working from the gun, Rodgers. It's incomplete. Took a shot, couldn't connect.
Partner, you and I have struggled with this for years. You've got the lead. Just take care of the football and burn some of that clock. But there's something to be said for not taking your foot off the gas as well, because you can never have too big of a cushion. That one, though, falls incomplete.
Now a second down throw for the end zone, but it's incomplete. The Jets on third down, just 1 for 3 thus far. This is 3rd and 10. Rodgers now to throw.
Oh, he had him. He was open, but he couldn't get it to him. It's incomplete.
Give them credit for excellent coverage, tight coverage. They're doing a lot of things that we talk about in basketball. They're causing disruptions in the passing game. And as long as that continues, it'll be tough for them to gain any momentum throwing the ball downfield.
He's got his target. That's complete.
And all the way to the 2-yard line there before crossing over out of bounds. Wow, 1st and goal, and defensively all they can do is shake their heads. Not only did they allow the conversion, but a big play as well. They'll look to throw again. To the goal line, but it's incomplete.
Well, they're up comfortably here, Charles, but that lead certainly not dissuading them from pressing the envelope late. I mean, if anything, with these passes, it's like they're getting more aggressive to try to drive the ball downfield.
And that will certainly...
Got a man, it's caught. Touchdown, Jets. They'll start this drive out on the ground. And he's taken down, but able to slip across the 35.
132 yards rushing for him now as he's carried it 16 times.
Running game working. They'll stick with it on 1st down. And he slips up past the 45 before being tackled. And the offense moving quickly to the line. On 1st down, Burgess. And he's going to get across midfield and into Charger territory. A solid run on 1st down. Gain of 7 leaves him with a 2nd and 3. Now they'll throw with Rodgers. A hit as he throws there, incomplete.
Partner, what we're seeing so far is a defense that's certainly coordinated. Both levels doing their jobs in tandem. The back helping the front helping the back. The pressure got home on that last play and forced him to try and throw through contact and short of the sticks.
Able to find the open man. That's complete.
And he's brought to the ground with another 1st down at the Chargers 35. They don't need to run another play here before the 2-minute warning. Let's see if they do it anyway. Rodgers now on 1st down. Oh, the ball comes out on the hit, but they'll say it's incomplete. Again, they'll throw with Rodgers. Looking left sideline, it's complete. And he'll go out of bounds inside the 15-yard line.
From the 13 now, they work on 1st and 10.
Rodgers throwing here. And it'll be intercepted.
And the Chargers are going to take possession here. It's a touch.
Trying to shake off the interception. He'll look to throw. Toward the sideline, and look at that catch. Dragging the toes, and that's going to be a first down. Well done.
First and 10 at the 47-yard line.
Here's Rodgers. Oh, there's that man again. It's complete. And he takes this just a few yards shy of the red zone before going out.
First down. First and 10 at the 24-yard line.
Throwing on first down is Rodgers. And this will be incomplete. Physical play on the football there, and it's second down.
Well, fourth quarter with a 3-score lead here, Charles, but they're still going back to the air and looking for more points.
Well, with this game,
I don't know what happened to the game.
it's an opportunity for the guys to come off the bench and get a chance to play. And a lot of coaches, they want to run their full playbook no matter who's on the field.
And this will be caught in the end zone. Touchdown.
16-0, baby. Undefeated in the league again. We got Jack Rodgers, we got Burgess. There we go. Week 17 is in the books. Let's advance to week 18 or 17? Yeah, 17. Let's go to upgrade plan. We can always use the upgrade. Tom Grossi is getting upgrade. He's at 96 overall with 3 moral boost. He's 12th in the league right now at this. And our tight end. We're gonna play one more game and see. We made the playoffs. We got the number 1 seed. I know we got the number 1 seed, but I still want to get some more stats for Tom, so maybe we can get it up to the top 10 receivers.
It's the
They'll start on the ground here on first down. Oh, he sheds himself free.
And he'll have a Jets first down as he's got this past the 35 to about the 37.
They'll keep it on the ground. It's Burgess. And nothing much materializing there on the first down run. He'll get a couple, and that's it.
So, CD, here we are. You look at how well this offense has played all year. 16-0. Now, in most years, they'd be at home right now enjoying time off for their perfect season, getting ready for the postseason. But this is the decade of the 2020, so that means 17 games are what's needed to get to a perfect season. Would a win here make them an all-timer for you?
It would. It absolutely would. And I realize we're not comparing apples to apples because of the length of regular seasons. If you think back to the 1972 Dolphins, they were 14-0 in the regular season. 3 wins made them a Super Bowl champion, so they were 17-0 total. Imagine getting through 17 now and then continuing on and winning the Super Bowl. They're an all-timer team already for me.
They'll go for it. It's Rodgers. Quick hitter here. It's complete.
And he is going to have a Jets first down, it would appear. And yes, the chain gang going to move the sticks. They take a risk on 4th and 4, but they get it by a full yard.
Throwing is Rodgers. And he knocks the ball away, and it falls incomplete.
You look at this Buffalo defense.
They come into this one ranked number 17, so just starting the bottom half of the league against the pass.
And the easy thought process is that stopping the run is the least of their problems because they're facing the #1 passing team in the NFL. But if they don't stop the run as well, then that just opens up the passing game even more. They've got to do both.
So 1st and 10 now in Buffalo territory at the 35-yard line. And he'll be taken down at the 34. Just a yard on the first down carry, so it's 2nd and 9. Rodgers going to throw. Wide open receiver complete. And down he goes, taking it inside the 10, just shy of the 5 at the 6.
1st and goal, a chance for an early statement here on the road.
One back in the backfield, he'll get the carry. And that'll move him a little closer as he takes it from the 7 down to the 4-yard line. 2nd and goal from inside the 5. And he gets halfway there from the 4 to the 2 on a gain of 2. Driven it down the field nicely here on the opening drive, and now it's put up or shut up.
No doubt about it, because to make that type of a drive and ultimately kick a field goal would feel very...
And he's into the end zone. Touchdown, Jack. On 1st and 10, here's Rodgers. Going to throw right side here, complete. And he's able to get this one down to the 40-yard line. Now hold everything here. We're going to get a timeout by the offense. And that's their 2nd charge timeout here in this 1st quarter. They're down to 1 remaining. They'll run on 1st down. Burgess. And give him 6 yards here as he's stopped near the 35 at the 34. On 2nd down now, it's Burgess. And a short gain down to about the 33.
Well, this defense for the Bills, they played really well in the win over the Raiders a week ago.
Yeah, and what stood out to me on tape, the way they were flying to the football. So that tells me that they've got all their assignments down, and they're playing with extreme confidence.
And he is going to have a Jets 1st down as they're able to get the 3rd down conversion.
The Jets with the football here to start the 2nd quarter, as they've got it with a 1st and 10. Now a handoff up the middle. Burgess. And bulldozing his way through. And they've got it inside the 10 at the 8.
65 yards for him on the ground so far tonight as he has been terrific in this 1st half.
Throwing now is Rodgers. And he'll be hit as he releases it, and that'll fall incomplete.
It's always tough trying to keep your guy upright when he's trying to throw the football. When you're dealing with those big, bad guys on the defensive front, it's even tougher. And this time, those guys on the opposite side won the battle, getting to the quarterback and knocking him into an incompletion.
And he's brought down right at the 5-yard line. Give him 2 on the play. The Jets on 3rd down. They've been okay, 2 for 3 thus far. They're looking at a 3rd and goal here. And he'll be brought down right on the edge of the goal line at about the 1-yard line. A field goal would make it a 2-score game, but they're going to go aggressive. They're going to try this thing on. And he's in. Touchdown, Jets. To throw is Rodgers. And he takes a shot on the release as this will be incomplete.
When defenses get to the quarterback that quickly, a lot of times it's called a jailbreak. It wasn't quite that fast, but fast enough that he had no time to look downfield and set himself to throw the ball. And as he tried to do that, he was hit, and it forced an incompletion.
And forget about finding a lane. He barely had time to look up before he was planted in the backfield. The Jets on third down. They've hit 2 for 4 thus far. This is going to be 3rd and 13. Now Rodgers. That is caught. And he's free going down the left side. It's a foot race. And touchdown. Here's Rodgers to throw. Looking right sideline, that's complete. And they'll get this well past midfield before being stopped just before the 35. So how about that for a chain mover? They're all the way down inside the 40 now for 1st and 10. Looking to throw. Rodgers. That's taken in by Palmer. Touchdown! A great play there. They'll indeed try to run it out as they start on the ground. So we reach halftime. Only 30 minutes left in the regular season, and everybody's excited for the playoffs, so we're just going to forget the halftime show and get back to the football. Welcome back. Charles and I settled into the booth, ready for quarter number 3. And not much happening on the return as he'll get this to about the 23. They'll start this drive out on the ground. And he'll take it across midfield and into Buffalo territory. They're going to hurry back to the line now.
A gain of 5 brings up 2nd and 5.
On 2nd down, it's Burgess. And he's got this down to the 35. 87 yards for him on the ground now. He has been a tough man to bring down all night. On 1st down, Burgess. And fights through one man. And brought down, but not before they're inside the 25.
Tackle made at the 24-yard line. It's a gain of 10.
They'll run on 1st down. It's Burgess. And he's going to take it in for a Jets touchdown. Rodgers now on 1st down. Throwing right, and that's complete. And they'll get it all the way up about 5 yards shy of midfield. The big play to start him out has him at the 45 already. Operating from the gun, Rodgers. Open man, it's Palmer. And they'll get him down as he's inside the 40. And they get 17 more on that one and another 1st down.
And a Tokyo 1st down.
Up the middle they go. Burgess. And somehow he's going to get a yard out of this as he fought through that first contact. It's 2nd down.
1 yard gain brings up 2nd and 9.
One quarter remains here on a Sunday night. Back now in Buffalo. A lot of folks starting to make their way to the parking lot. Their guys trail big here to begin quarter number 4. On 2nd down, here's Rodgers.
Oh, and the throw led him too much that time. It's incomplete.
Just a little beyond the reach there of his receiver. That's probably one he wishes he had back.
He wishes it had been 7-on-7 in practice, or maybe even routes versus air, because that's a completion he makes, 9.9 times out of 10? Just missed that one.
And now the third down throw incomplete as well.
Nice call by the defense there on third down. Just flood the field with extra defensive backs in their dime package. Nowhere to go with the football. Forces the incompletion.
Rodgers to throw for it on fourth. And he bats it away, and it falls down incomplete.
Another interception. Got the ball back.
On first down, Rodgers. This is caught. Touchdown, Jets.
Why are they doing that?
Now Rodgers. He sets to fire deep. And it's knocked away and incomplete.
Zone coverage there, and they were playing deep. That makes it obviously a little bit harder to run by guys. And that time, there was not much of a window to get the ball in there, and it winds up incomplete.
Now, meanwhile, here's a second down throw that's knocked away and incomplete.
Nice back-to-back plays defensively. They're stacking momentum now. One incompletion, two incompletion. They're going for more.
Throwing is Rodgers on third down. A hit as he throws there, incomplete.
Well, that's a good piece of quarterbacking right there, because he certainly felt the pressure coming. The alternative, getting sacked for the first time. He didn't like that option at all. Did a nice job saving yardage by throwing that one away.
Rodgers gonna go on fourth down. That's going to be knocked away and incomplete. Rodgers now to throw. Oh, he's got a man wide open, complete. He'll get this one down near the 20-yard line, just shy of the 20.
And the Jets first down.
To throw, it's Rodgers.
And this is incomplete. Oh, he had 6 points right in his hands, but could not hang on. 2nd and 10.
Now it's Rodgers. Got a man, it's caught. Touchdown, Jets. Rodgers looking to throw.
Oh, he rifles one, and that's going to be intercepted. Jair Elam makes a pick. And
so after the INT, it's Rodgers. Steps away to his left. And this will be caught in the end zone. Touchdown, Jets. Rodgers now on first down. And that will be incomplete. Would have been a big hitter if they had connected. Instead, it's second down.
Now 2nd and 10 at the 25-yard line.
For some reason, Rodgers is not accurate in the second half.
Back to throw. Rodgers. And the Bills are going to get him as he goes down. The defense rising to the challenge and setting him back on the sack.
Let's get out of here with the
The partner under the lights in prime.
We have to get out of there with the victory. Good God, that was brutal. Gilmore getting upgrade. First year guy. 94 overall. Middle linebacker 95, but he's only he's the second ranked middle linebacker in the league. Jeez. Brad Grossi. Third year, and he's the third ranked right tackle in the league. We have a lot of players that are high up there in the league. And we are now in the playoffs. It looks like we have a bye. We're in season 2029. We got to bye. The Jets are the #1 seed in the AFC, and the Giants are the #1 seed in the NFC. Let's see what happened with Tom right now. Let's see if his ranking went up. Sixth year in the league, he's only 26 years old. So he is in his prime. And he is ranked he's ranked 12th in the NFL league. Overall rating is at 93 overall, but he has a 3-point boost. So that's great right there. And yeah, man, this guy is great. Alright guys, anyway guys, I hope you liked the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Give me a like on it. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to the channel. It really helps out the channel a lot. And like I always say, stay safe, be positive, and always go Pack Go. And I'll see you in the next video. Alright guys, you have a great one. Bye, peace, I am out. Holla.